In this video, we are discussing about trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. In this topic, we have one important theorem, that is prove geometrically cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is the theorem. This is the statement of the theorem. It is a very important theorem. In first PUC, they are asking for 6 marks. So it is a very important theorem. What is that? Prove geometrically cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the statement of the theorem. See how we are proving this theorem. You see now. Draw a circle. Draw a unit circle. Unit circle means the radius of the circle is 1 unit. Radius of the circle is 1 unit. I am taking coordinate axis and RG and RG. Right? Now you draw the unit circle. Unit circle means the radius is 1 unit. Radius is 1 unit. So like this, you draw 1 unit circle. Okay? That means the radius of the circle is 1. The radius of circle is 1 unit. Right? Next, you take 4 points on the circle. I am taking 4 points on the circle, namely point P1 and P2, P3, P4. Like this, I am taking 4 points on the circle. Right? Next, what I am writing you see. Draw the unit circle with the center as radius, center as origin. Okay, this is the first point. Let the angles. How I am taking angles? You see, first you join OP1, OP2, OP3 and OP4 already is there. It is on the x-axis only. Right? Now the angle from P4 to P1, P4 to P1, that means this angle. This angle I am taking x. That means let angle P4 OP1 is equals to x radians I am taking. Right? Next angle P1 OP2. P1 OP2 is equals to, I am taking this angle is y. Okay. So what is that? Angle P1 OP2. This is equals to, I am taking y. From this, angle P4 OP2 is equals to y. This is the angle x, this is the angle y, this complete angle P4 to P2. This angle is equals to x plus y. Right? This is the angle x plus y. Next, I am taking angle P4 OP3. P4 OP3 means this is the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. The clockwise direction angles are called negative angles, right? Negative angles. So this is equals to, I am taking minus 1. Here this and this one are both same equivalent angles, but both are opposite side. So this is equals to, I am taking minus 1, right? These are the angles. Now you see what are the points of coordinates of the points P1, P2, P3, P4. Therefore, the coordinates of P1, P2, P3, P4 are P1 is equals to. See how we are writing the angle x-axis y equal to 0, this is nothing, OP4 nothing but x coordinate. X coordinate here, OP4 is nothing but radius. Radius of the circle is 1 unit. So 1 comma 0. So P4 is easy now. Now P1, P2, P3, these we have to write. Now you see, already we learned this one. This is the unit circle. P, A comma B is the any point. Then you join this one and from P to x-axis you draw the perpendicular line. This is the angle x, this is the right angle. So OM is equals to the coordinate x coordinate, PM is equals to y coordinate b, O to P is equals to radius 1. How we are defining cos angle? For example, cos x. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. That is a by 1. That is equals to a. Next, sin x is equals to what? Sin x is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So b by 1. B by 1 is equals to b. That means here a comma b is equals to cos x comma sin x. Cos x comma sin x. So like this we are writing. Similarly, here P1 is equals to what we are writing, cos x comma sin x. P2 is equals to the angle from P to P4 to P2. What is the angle? X plus y angle. This is equals to here to here. Complete x plus y. So at P4, P2 coordinates are cos of x plus y, comma sin of x plus y. Right? Next, P1 is cos x comma cos. Here you see P3, P4 to P3 angle is minus y. This angle is minus y. So what we are writing P3 coordinates? Minus cos of minus x comma sin of minus x. Right? So you write this. So P1 is equals to cos x comma sin x. Cos x comma sin x. Next to P2 is equals to cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Next to P3 is equals to cos of minus x comma sin of minus x. This is nothing but cos of minus x is equal to cos x, sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. And P4 is equals to 1 comma 0. These are the coordinates. Up to here clear. If you know this much, next remaining part is very easy. You see once again, draw a unit circle with the center as a origin. Next, P1, P2, P3, P4 are points on the circle. P1, P2, P3, P4. P1, comma, P2, comma, P3, comma, P4 are points on circle. Next, let angle P4 O P1 is equal to x. Angle P1 O P2 is equal to y. That implies angle of P4 O P2 is equal to x plus y. Let angle P4 O P3 is equals to minus 1. Therefore, the coordinates are P1 is equal to cos x comma sin x. P2 is equal to cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. P3 is equals to cos of minus x comma sin of minus x. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta only, so cos x. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, so minus sin x. Next, P4 is equals to 1 comma 0. Okay, up to these. Next, the triangles from the figure, triangle, which triangles you see? I'm joining here P1 and P3, P1 and P3, and P2 and P4, P2 and P4 I'm writing. I'm joining the points P1, P3 and P2, P4 I'm joining. You see here two triangles is there. What are they? P1O, P1O, P3, comma, triangle P4, P4O, P2, P4O, P2, or P2O, P4, P2O, P4 are congruent angles, congruent triangles. Why you see congruent triangles? Why those are congruent triangles? See here, OP1 in this triangle, OP1 side is the radius. In this triangle, OP2 is the radius of the triangle. That means this length is equals to 1, this length is equals to 1. Right? Next angle P1O P2 is equals to what? Angle P4O P2 is equals to minus 5. That means magnitude values are same. Here magnitude values. Magnitude value of y only. Magnitude value of minus y only. That means those are angles are same. Both those are in opposite direction. But those are angles are magnitude angles are same. And see P2O P4 that means P2 P4 and P1 P3 also same. So from the side angle side, this triangle is the congruent triangle. These triangles are congruent. So the sides P1 P3 P1 P3 P1 P3 is equals to P2 P4 P2 P4. P1 P3 is equals to P2 P4. That implies P1 P3 square is equals to P2 P4 square. I'm taking squaring on both sides. This one you take as the equation number 1. Next now we need to find the distance between P1 and P3, P2 and P4. What is the distance between the 2 points? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here P1 P3 whole square in the square root is get cancelled. Just you find these two and you substitute in this equation. After the simplification we are getting this proof. Okay, this is the next simplification. Okay. Next you see now. See P1, the coordinates of P1 are cos x comma sin x, coordinates of P3 are cos x comma cos x, coordinates of P3 are cos x comma minus sin x, cos x comma minus sin x. See here the coordinates of P3 is the angle is negative angle y, so minus cos y. So this is cos y minus sin y. Once because you see that correction, the cos at the angle at P4O P3 P4O P3 is minus y, angle is minus y. So P3 is equal to cos of minus y sin of minus y. That is cos y minus sin y. Cos y minus sin y. Alright. Now use the distance formula here. Use the distance formula. What is the formula? Difference between the distance between the 2 points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That is cos y minus cos x whole square plus cos y minus cos x, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is minus sin y minus sin x whole square. Okay, here square root is get cancelled. This is equals to cos x cos y minus cos x whole square plus minus is common, minus square is equals to plus only, so sin y plus sin x whole square. I am taking minus is common, minus whole square equal to plus 1 only. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square. So cos square y plus b square cos square x minus 2ab 2 cos y into cos x plus it is in the form of a plus b whole square a square. So sin square y plus b square sin square x plus 2ab 2 sin x sin y 2 sin x sin y. Now cos square y plus sin square y I am writing together plus cos square x plus sin square x I written here. Next minus 2 cos y cos x plus 2 sin x sin y. Now you see cos square y plus sin square y is equals to 1 plus cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1. In these two terms, I am taking common minus 2. So what we are getting? Cos y cos x or cos x cos y. A into b into a both are same. Here minus I am taking common, so here I am getting minus. So minus sin x sin y. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 into cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin x sin y, which is equals to p1 p3 whole square is equals to, this is the p1 p3 whole square. Next p2 is equals to cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. p4 is equal to 1 comma 0. Now p2 p4 square, the distance between the points p2 and p4 is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square 1 minus cos of x plus y whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 0 minus of sin of x plus y whole square. Here square root is get cancelled. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square 1 square minus 2ab 2 into 1 into cos of x plus y plus b square. So cos square x plus y. A minus equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 0 minus sin of x plus y equal to minus sin of x plus y minus sin of x plus y. So minus sin of x plus y whole square equal to sin square of x plus y. Right? So this is equals to 1 minus 2 into cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y, cos square x plus y plus sin square x plus y is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y, which is equals to p2 p4 whole square equal. Now substitute p1 p3 square comma p2 p4 square in equation number 1. In equation number 1 we are substituting. What is the equation number 1? p1 next sub p1 p3 square equal to p2 p4 square. p1 p3 square is equals to 2 minus 2 into cos of cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equals to p2 p4 square is equals to 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y. 2 is get cancelled. Next minus 2 into cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. is equals to minus 2 into cos of x plus y. Minus 2 get cancelled. This implies cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equals to cos of x plus y. Therefore, cos of x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin x sin y. This is the proof. Very simple. Just you have to remember the angles and the coordinates and which are the congruent triangle and which sides are equal. Next simplification part is very easy. So this is the important question for 6 marks. How they are asking you in examination, prove geometrically cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Hence prove that they are giving some question. For example, cos of x minus y equal to cos x, find cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, like that some question they are asking. So the related question, that this is a 5 marks question, that sub question is 1 mark. So 1 mark question, how we are solving 1 mark question, we will see later. Once see this one, we will see now sub questions. The sub questions they are asking like this. Hence to find cos of x minus y. That formula is cos of x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So this one, see how we are doing. We know that cos of x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This one we know something. Already we proved this one. Now replace y by minus y. What are we doing? In place of y, I am writing minus y. So cos of x in place of y minus y. So place minus y is equal to cos x cos of minus y minus sin x sin of minus y. That implies cos of x plus and minus cos of x minus y equals to cos x cos of minus theta cos theta only. So cos y minus sin x sin of minus y equal to minus sin y. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So sin of minus y minus sin y. So minus is minus here plus. So this is the proof. For this one they are asking 1 mark. Like we have some questions. In these they can ask anyone. So we have some questions. Now second question you see, prove that cos of pi by 2 minus x is equals to sin x. How we are proving this one you see? Proof cos of pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x is equals to, already we know this one, what is that? Cos of x, otherwise we write that. We know that cos of x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, right? Now cos of pi by 2 plus minus x I am writing. This is equation. It is in the form of cos of x plus y. In place of x pi by 2, in place of y minus y. So substitute now cos pi by 2 cos of minus x minus sin pi by 2 sin of minus x, sin of minus x. This is equals to cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to cos pi by 2 cos 90 is 0, 0 into something equal to 0. 0 minus sin pi by 2 value 1, sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So minus into minus plus sin x. So this is equals to 0 plus sin x is sin x. This is the proof. Like this we are proving this one. Next third question you see, prove that sine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. How I am proving this one you see, sine of pi by 2 minus x is equals to sine of cos of pi by 2 minus of pi by 2 minus x I get, correct? How you see, how I am writing that one you see, since sin theta is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. In place of theta, here pi by 2 minus x. Just to apply that formula. Right? Now you see, it is in the form of cos of pi by 2 minus of sin pi by 2 minus x. So, just you use this formula, same formula, which is cos of x plus y equal to cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Minus sin x sin y, we know that. Now, cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus of x is equal to, that means it is in the form of cos of x, it is just if you multiply with otherwise we know this one, cos of x minus y formula. Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now it is in the form of cos of x minus y, in place of x pi by 2, in place of pi by 2 minus x. So what do I get here? Cos pi by 2 into cos of pi by 2 minus x plus sin pi by 2 into sin of pi by 2 minus x. That implies cos pi by 2 minus of pi by 2 minus x nothing but quotient sin pi by 2 minus x. It is equal to cos pi by 2 value 0 into something equal to 0 plus sin pi by 2 value 1. Next to sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so cos x. So 0 plus cos x is equal to cos x. Sin pi by 2 minus x is equals to cos x. This is the proof. Next one, fourth one you see, proof of fourth one. Sin of x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. You need to prove this one. How you say? Sin of x plus y is equals to cos pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Same formula. Sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So now that is equals, that implies cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y. So it is in the form of cos of x minus y. Cos of x minus y is equals to formula cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Use this formula. So what we are getting? Cos of pi by 2 minus x into cos y plus sin x sin y. So sin of pi by 2 minus x sin y. Then this implies cos pi by 2 minus x minus y nothing but this is given question, that is sin of x plus y equals to cos 90 minus x is equals to sin x into cos y plus sin 90 minus x is cos x into sin y. This is the proof. Okay. See next prove that sin of x plus y x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. See proof. Same from these we can prove this one from this formula. Y is replaced by minus y. We are getting this formula. Otherwise we are getting sin of x plus y is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. So by that, like that also we can do this one. So here I am pulling this one, sin of x minus y is equals to what I am writing, cos of pi by 2 minus of x minus y I am writing. So that is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. So this pi by 2 minus x we take as 190 and plus y is 100. Next we know that cos of x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y is equals to cos pi by 2 minus x into cos y. In place of x here, pi by 2 minus x. Y in place of y only. Next minus sin of pi by 2 minus x into sin y. This is cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y is nothing but given question sin of x minus y is equals to cos 90 minus x sin x. So this is equals to sin x cos y minus cos 90 minus x is sin cos x sin y. This is the proof. Okay. So remember once, for getting 6 marks you have to practice cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y theorem, and you have to practice this one, cos of x minus y. Find cos of x minus y. Already we solved first one in this first one, and sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y. These three you practice well. So remaining problems easily we can solve by using these 4 formulas. What are they? Cos x, cos of x plus y formula, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y. These formulas you should remember, these complete formulas. Those formulas you have to remember. After that, if they ask any question, easily we can solve these problems by using these 4 formulas only. You see, we have some questions. What is that? Cos of pi by 2 plus x. Prove that this is equals to minus sin x. Next to sin of pi by 2 plus x is equals to cos x. Next to sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x. Next to cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. Like that we have some questions. So how we are proving this one? By using this cos of x plus y. We know that cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. You substitute in place of x pi by 2, in place of y x. You simplify, you can get this one. Easy. Next sin of pi by 2 plus x. Which formula we are using here? Sin of x plus y. Once you write, we know that sin of x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Then you substitute x is equal to pi by 2, y is equal to x. After the simplification, you are getting that sin x. Next to sin of pi minus x. Which formula we are using? Sin of x minus y. Here, cos of x minus y. This any problem we can solve by using these formulas. So what you have to prepare? Once you prepare the theorem and these 3. After that, and then you remember the formulas of these 4. Then every question easily we can find by using these formulas only. Okay, this is the important video, because from this video the theorem, especially the theorem and these 3, if you practice well, then definitely you will get 6 marks question. Definitely every year they are asking 6 marks question. This one only you practice well. In the evening only you send your answer, especially the theorem and these 3. Theorem and these 3 you write the test and you send to my number. Okay.